Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a new subscription to the channel and it's jewelry, so let's get in, check it out. This is the Mint Mongoose Jewelry subscription. I have never done a jewelry subscription. They reached out, I went on, read all about what they had to say, I really liked the idea of it. This was sent to me for review, and since we're reviewing it, they sent over a code, UNBOX50, which will get you 50% off on your first month's subscription. But when I was just at the channel, they were having a sign up now and get your first month free. So definitely use the code that gets you the most. Let's get into this. And while I'm doing that, I will tell you a little bit about the box. It was started by Helena and she is a mom. She worked outside of the home. And when she started having children, she wanted to be able to stay home. And this came out of that. It started back in 2015 and it's grown from there. Look, it comes in a sweet little package. We have information on the back. We will get into all of that. Shipping is free. It is $29.99 per month and you can choose necklace and bracelet, necklace and earrings. And if you want to get all three, it's an additional $9 and shipping and handling is free regardless of which of those you choose. There is a money back guarantee. It promises it will never turn you green or you get your money back. With some costume jewelries, that can be a problem, not with this. And you can preview each month before it is sent out. After you preview, you can update your preferences, you can update your colors. So I assume that if it's something that you're not particularly drawn to, you could skip that month. Okay, we have all of this paperwork in the back. Let's glass up and see what it says. It says, hi, love you. There's a huge story on the back, but it says, hi there. This month's set is inspired by three people very special to me, my grandma, grandpa, and sister. It is a really long story, so we won't go into all of that, but that is so sweet. Each month is based on something real in her life. This is called the roadmap, and I knew that after 3 months, you got a free gift with your delivery, but this kind of gives you a roadmap to what you're going to receive. I mean, it's not very specific, but it's like after 3 months, you receive a free surprise gift, an e-surprise worth $. After your 6th shipment, I should say shipment because I guess you can skip months if something doesn't speak to you. So after your 3rd shipment, after your 6th shipment, you receive a custom gift made specifically for you, an e-surprise worth $, and a free magnetic clasp subscription for as long as your subscription remains active. This is a really fun one to belong to. We have a little jewelry cleaning square of fabric. It says Mint Mongoose. And then this comes with jewelry care tips. And on the back, it tells us that you will have adjustable chain extenders so that it fits more people. Everyone needs flexibility. Earrings, no earrings, silver, gold. I should have told you that. Silver, gold, rose gold, or surprise me, you pick. And then it says exclusive community. Join our top secret text thread. And then there's a number here to join the top secret text thread. That's kind of fun. Let's get into this. I think I chose gold. Most of the time I wear gold. I do have some silver sets. I love David Yurman jewelry, and because of most of his stuff being in silver or a gold silver blend, there are times that I choose silver, but I think I chose gold with this. All right, and this is what we had in there. I didn't see anything on the site, and I could have totally missed it, as to why it's called Mint Mongoose. I will have to reach out about that or give the site a thorough reading. First out, we have, I think this is going to be the necklace. Can you see that? I hope you can see it. It has a little piece of paper attached to it that says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. Interesting. I love this. This has such a it's going to look nice with what I have on. It has a beautiful vintage look to it. This is what it looks like. See how beautiful that is? Doesn't it have such a vintage look? The bezel on it is a little etched. That is what it looks like. We have all of these. There's one here, here. I'm in one. You could make it shorter. So you can, here, let me put it on, but you can make it shorter or longer. Let me show you. I will bring up, for next time, I should bring up a measuring tape so I can tell you how long, but that is it at its longest. I would guess, if I were guessing, it's at least 20 inches, at least 20 inches. And on it, it has, I hope you can see that, that is the Mint Mongoose symbol. I put this on where I thought it would hit well with this. I actually could have gone one shorter. This is not the longest, and you guys know I'm not dainty. There is another extension, so you could get another 1 to 2 inches out of it. But this is where I thought it would look best with this. I should have done it just to go shorter, but that's okay. Isn't that beautiful? I hope the blue of that is coming across. It's so lovely. I can't believe that on a fluke I wore something that has blues in it. That worked perfectly. All right, let's open the earrings. Actually, I have earrings on today. This came in one of our boxes too. Which box did these come in? I think FabFitFun perhaps. These are the earrings. I think this is called what, a French wire. The earring matches the bezel that I was talking about around the necklace. I love that it complements it, but it's not an exact match. I don't love, like, if it was these stones, that's not necessarily my favorite look. So I do love that they complement, but don't exactly match. Let's put these on. That is what they look like on. I hope you guys can see that. They're very pretty. I love the length of that you'll see it with my hair, but it's still not overwhelming. Those are so pretty. They look like kind of like picture frames. They're just very pretty. That matches so nicely while not looking exactly the same. And I think perhaps they sent me the bracelet also. This is another necklace. Interesting. I am intrigued. I wish I had more to tell you about this. I will try and find out why and let you know down in the comments. Look how gorgeous this is. When you get to the bottom of it, it's like a sun. This is something, this is extra long. Let me put this one on too. Although you're probably not gonna see it because I'm gonna let it hang long so that it hangs longer than this, but I wonder what the story is. Maybe there were 2 options this month and they just sent me each of the options to show you guys. I put it on, but I put it on very long. I think this way you can probably see both of them. They are so pretty. I love that look. I love a layered look. That's still in. Am I showing my age by saying I like a layered look? These are beautiful, and I will totally cards on the table this with you guys. I have been offered in the past costume jewelry subscription type things or just costume jewelry, and I've always been hesitant because as a rule I don't wear a lot of costume jewelry, but I went out and I did my due diligence. I read all about them at their website. I watched a lot of videos from a lot of girls who have been doing this for a long time, and everybody loves it. A lot of them have been getting it a long time. They say that it always wears well on them, that it doesn't fade, it doesn't turn them green. So I just thought, based on their experiences and what I was reading about at the website, it was worth a try, and I am so glad that I did because these pieces are lovely. I mean, that's lovely. So happy. This is Mint Mongoose. Let me hold it up so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. They are on Facebook and Instagram if you want to go over and check them out. It's M-I-N-T Mongoose, just like it sounds. I will absolutely link their website below, and the code they gave me for you guys to use is unbox50, but that was probably before the sale they are having. As of today, when I'm taping this and I went to the website, the sale showed that you got your first month free. So I'm probably gonna put this up. I'm gonna edit it today and put it up tomorrow, hoping that that sale is still good. And I will see you guys again really soon. I wanna thank Mint Mongoose for sending this over. You guys for stopping by. I hope you have a great evening. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I'll see you soon, guys.